ever insensitive sometimes, but trust me, I always try to find something positive out of it, because I believe whether that person is sent by God or sent by devil, but still there is something for me to gain out of that. I just want you to have that positive mind. Since we are not able to, we have no control over izinto abantu abazishoyo ngathi abazikhulumayo, abasitshela zona. Rather, try and find something positive out of everything abantu abayishoyo ngawo, good or bad. I know it's not easy, it's difficult, but trust me, noma ngabe umuntu uthunyelwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi azokriticize so that akusharpenishe into a better person, noma ngabe umuntu uthunyelwe usathane ukuthi so noma ngabe umuntu uthunyelwe usathane, uthunyelwe banu devil wangakubo, ngiyakutshela kusuke kuyicebo likaNkulunkulu lona lelo, kusetshenziswa loyo muntu osetshenziswe usathane ukuthi azokwenza umuntu ongcono. So before you even cry, before you even say bangifunani, before you even retaliate, because one thing a problem is that in many things ezenzakalayo in our lives, akuvamisanga ukuthi silinyazwe ilokho kwenziwe kuthina. Normally silinyazwa i-reaction yethu. So ke I just want ukuthi namhlanje ngikutshela ukuthi gada ukuthi ureact kanjani in each and everything ekwehlelayo. Gada ukuthi ureact kanjani. You cannot control ukuthi uzokwehlelwa yini, but one thing for sure, you can control your reaction, and your reaction iyona ezosho ukuthi from la ukhona uyalimala noma uyakheka, uyemuva noma uyaphambili. So bafana bami, mina I would like to even invite those people who are sent by the devil to break me to still come to speak and not be afraid, ngoba uNkulunkulu also use them ukuthi bazongilekelela ukuthi ngibe umuntu ongcono. Remember, people that love you, sometimes they are very careful, or they are so careful that abakulimazi, abasho izinto ezokuphatha kabi, you understand? So even into engekho right bayayincoma sometimes and be like, yazi, let me be nice, kuhle lokhu makhumalo, noma kungekuhle bathi kuhle, because they love you and they care for you. They just don't want to make you feel, you know ngathi you are being attacked or anything. Kanti lo thunyelo sathana uku-attack nje angabi nandaba, abe insensitive, angahlangani. But trust me, kulokho kungahlangani kwakhe uNkulunkulu letha lento bongekuyithole from people that love you. I don't know whether I'm making sense, because mina umuntu engimthandayo angikwazi ukumcrush, but umuntu ongangithanda uyakwazi ukungicrush. From lokho crusheka bese ngithola into right.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I absolutely appreciate it. This is Uma Khumalo responding to all the backlash that she receives from the social media platforms, and I'm thinking from the other wives, from the fellow wives. I think it's a positive mind that she has, but on the same breath, I think there is there is so much that one can take, because for example, look at her now on the latest episode. She is so, I don't know, man, she's so quiet. She is a new Uma Khumalo that we don't know, which I think is as a result of people's comments, and other wives' comments. It says it means Abi Uma Khumalo lo ongwe on this season. So there is so much that someone can take, as much as she sounds like a strong woman, and yes, she is a very strong woman, Uma Khumalo, and I like her perspective and her attitude towards a backlash, because honestly I think it's maybe one of the best ways of dealing with a backlash, because if kungayikho ukuthi you deal with it the Uma Khumalo way, it means uzabuya kuma live videos every time uzothethisa abantu, uzothi ye lithi kunje ye fokofu what and all that, yabo. But she chooses to be like, you know what, I can always learn something from whatever backlash I'm receiving and all that. I can always control the way I react to backlash and all that. So I think, that's a good strategy that she uses, as long as simsebenzela. But I'll continue to say there is so much that you can take, because now I feel like people's comments are influencing her character. They are now influencing the way she's living, because so she lives in it. So she's getting like, she's being told by people how she must live her life, and then abese editing impilo yakhe based on what people are saying. Man, please do let me know what you think on the comment section about this whole thing. Otherwise, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.